Hey everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers and More. This is kind of a preface to a longer video that's going to come out this evening, but I didn't want to bury the lead, so to speak, because I know a lot of y'all are looking to see who won the Super Clean giveaway. So I'll do this short video. In a separate video later this evening, we're going to go through an inventory of every single machine that I have here to wrap up 2023. I hope everybody's 2023 was good on this New Year's Eve, and that everybody will have a good 2024 come tomorrow. New year, first full year in business for me. It's going to be pretty exciting. So if you do win, just send me a DM either on Instagram or Facebook, or you can email me, ellis@ellismowers.com. All of that information is in the description below. Winner's going to receive a bottle of regular Super Clean degreaser and then the foaming that you saw in that video that you commented on. A lot of good comments. Seems like a lot of people love their John Deeres, especially the older ones. I had a few that were like L series and that have had good service, or LA series that have had good service. A lot of y'all love the 160, which is sitting right over here. A lot of y'all loved these style machines. I don't blame you. I did that 165 a couple of years ago. Turned out to be a pretty solid machine. In terms of my favorite, I don't know. I have always had good luck with those LX series John Deeres. The only thing that goes wrong with them is the hood. They just break and fall off. But those LX series John Deeres seem to be good, especially the ones that either have the Kohler singles or the air-cooled Kawasaki engines on them. Had multiple ones that I've seen have over 1,000 hours and still just keeping on going. So I do appreciate all the comments, all the encouragement, and all the conversation that was a part of that Super Clean video. And again, I want to thank Super Clean for taking part in this giveaway. Their stuff is really, really good. I really enjoy using their products. So without further ado, we'll go inside. I got y'all all in a big wheel of names that commented with their favorite John Deere tractor on that previous video. And we're just going to spin that wheel and see who wins. Good luck, everybody. Alright guys, well I've got all of y'all's names in the wheel here. Every one of them that follow the comment guidelines and just commented what your favorite John Deere machine was. We got around 30 names here, which is really good participation, the best participation I've ever had for a giveaway. So if you win, again, just DM me on Instagram, send me your contact information. And as long as you live in the lower 48, send me your address. That's what I need most, just your name and address. And I'll send this over to Jessica at Super Clean, and she will get that spray and the foaming Super Clean over to you so you can use it for yourself. Here we go. I'll click to spin it and we'll see what happens. That's a lot of people, isn't it? Uh-oh. Looks like James A. Carey is the winner here. Awesome. So thank you very much, James, for participating. Send me your address via email, ellis@ellismowers.com, or on Instagram or Facebook at Ellis Mowers and more. Congratulations, James. Thanks for everybody who participated in the giveaway. So congratulations, James, and thank you everyone for participating. Hopefully we'll have a couple more giveaways in 2024. And James, I hope you enjoy your Super Clean products. Just send me your address via email or DM on Instagram, and we'll get those sent over to you. Thanks again for a great 2023. Later this evening, you're going to see kind of the inventory wrap up of everything that I have out there in the yard, garage, lean-to, under the tent, going into 2024. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you again, Super Clean, and thank you to all of y'all for participating in this giveaway. Catch y'all in the next one.